Hi, I'm Fritz Outman, and this is video tutorial number 6 in my video tutorial series addressing advanced overall mechanical execution finalized Outman methodology for pitching a baseball in the vertical plane, incorporating advanced to now moment. The topic is the second base rule. As per previous video tutorials, I have a written piece, a composition at www.outmanmethodology.com. I invite you to visit my site and read it. It's going to be more detailed than I'm going to involve with this video tutorial today. Second base rule is simply a recognition of the fact, in my mind, that the glove side of the body is underused conventionally, and the pitching side of the body in relationship to the glove side of the body can also be underused. The two are related in such a way that if you employ the glove side of the body more actively in a productive way, it actually enhances the production of the pitching side of the body. So the second base rule simply states that all movements are approached as though rather than pitching the baseball to the catcher, you are pitching the baseball to second base behind you. So in working the glove arm, I'm a right-hander. My glove arm is my left arm. In flipping my glove arm and hand skyward, when I begin sweeping my glove arm down toward the ground and alongside of the glove side of my body and rearward of my body, I'm thinking in terms of sweeping it all the way to second base. In rotating the pitching side of my body, the heel of my rear pivot foot, the pitching side of my pelvis, I'm thinking in terms of not just merely going to some point out in front, but rotating all the way to second base. Now, all of these are impossible to do, but the mental image is one that causes your brain to activate your body in such a way that you create greater accelerating force and deliver it more forcefully and maintain it, transfer it more efficiently and more effectively to the point of between your fingertips and the surface of the ball where that accelerating force is transferred to the baseball. I think it's similar in nature to martial arts teaching, or maybe even boxing, punching through the target, not to the target. So the second base rule simply involves that. So when you take your pitching shoulder and physically feel in your mind, in your body, that you're extending it into the catcher's mitt, and then taking it down the ground and slamming it on the ground, figuratively speaking, and then taking it all the way to second base, it's a mental approach. And it is also a physical sensation, because in doing this, you actually do rotate faster and farther in rotational acceleration than you would if you were just thinking in terms of delivering the ball out there somewhere, as opposed to taking your pitching hand and then putting it into the glove, down to the ground, hanging on to the ball and throwing it behind you. The ball is going to be out of your hand way up here somewhere, but it's still the entirety of the approach causes your body to work more efficiently, more effectively with every element, every action, every muscle contraction, every angle, every moment of leverage, angle of leverage, point of leverage. Second base rule. Go to www.outmanmethodology.com, read the composition there. There's a little different coloration and approach than what I think I've delivered here. But I invite you to read it there. Video tutorial number 7. See you there.